When you're at work, there will be downtimes when your workload is lighter than usual. In cases like these, instead of going on extended breaks or watching Netflix shows at work, I want to offer you points on how to go beyond the minimum when you're working in corporate America. When going beyond the minimum, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you think ahead of the work that you have to complete in the future. If there's work that you can complete early on, do it. This will definitely work in your favor in the long run with career advancement opportunities. The second thing you can do is you can help other team members with their work. This shows that you care about each team member's success, but also the success of the team as a whole. The last pimp point is to come up with ideas on how to make your organization better. Think of problems that you're faced with daily at work and the solutions to those problems that would be beneficial to everyone. When working in corporate America, you want to make the best out of your career by not settling with completing minimum requirements, but by exceeding expectations. Now that's all I have on this episode of Pimp Points. But to learn key principles on how to excel in your career through executable plans, make sure you schedule a consultation today with the Career Pimp professional at thecorporatepimp.com.